What is going on, guys? Vega2 here, back with another video. In case you're just joining us and this is your first time here in this channel, my name is Kyle and he is Brian. We're two brothers and we basically are trying to help you guys out on your journeys to being entrepreneurs and provide as much value as possible for free in our videos, unlike all these other gurus and fakers out there. And so today our video is going to be on one product research method, which is very easy, that actually found us 3 profitable products that can do $30,000 a month, okay? And this method is super easy, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So let's get right into it. Boom! All right, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. You're probably thinking to yourselves, this lame guy behind the camera right now is probably just gonna talk about Jungle Scout like the 2,000 other gurus out there that just wanna get a little click on their link and some money. That's not what I'm talking about. We're talking about Merchant Words, which is completely different. So Merchant Words basically is a nice little website you can use. It has a free and a paid version. We personally use the paid version. And what you do is you go on the website and you can type in any keyword for Amazon. Type in the keyword, it could be anything, you know, pizza, because I'm kind of hungry, snow, because it's, you know, in the middle of a storm right now, but that's irrelevant. Type that in. It'll list all of the keywords that are associated with that word under it, and then in order of highest search volume per month to lowest search volume. So it'll say like, whatever product that has to do with that. So like Pizza Stone, like 155,000. So 155,000 means that's how many people a month on Amazon look that product up. And this is super helpful, guys, because it'll let you pick a product that not only has enough search volume, but also ranks under the keyword that you need. So it's a great tool. It's a good combination of both worlds with that. Also, guys, we are sponsored by Poland Springs Seltzer. So please, Poland Springs, send us some free seltzer. Isn't that Polar? I think it's different. We are sponsored by Polar Seltzer. Yeah. Okay. Please, Polar Seltzer. I know we have 20 subscribers. Just send us some free stuff. Hey, 21. Yeah, just send us some free stuff, okay?
A few moments later.
When you're choosing a product, you want to choose a product that has at least 50,000 search volume for the keyword. Because if the keyword isn't searched by around 50,000 people per month, odds are that the product will not be profitable. And this tool is a big advantage. Not all people have this yet, and it's honestly like pretty advanced. So let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so we're back. So what you're gonna wanna do is go to merchantwords.com, okay? And so once you're here, you're gonna type in any keyword, okay? You could literally grab a dictionary. So I'll try, for example, handle, okay? And so basically, it lists, okay, so door handle, the most popular, 333,000 people per month search this. So basically, it goes in order for handle on the most popular keywords, starting with like door handle, and then just going down as less popular. So pretty much what the strategy is you type in a random word like handle. Then what you do is you click on this, search Amazon, and then you're going to run Jungle Scout. And literally all you do is just this. And it looks a little bit too competitive. You see, got some high reviews, but actually it looks pretty decent though. You know, maybe worth taking a look at. All right, so you're basically just going to go down the list. No matter how competitive a keyword is or anything, no matter how much search volume it is, you're just going to search Amazon, Jungle Scout, boom. And you're just going to see if it's good or not. And look, guys, this one looks pretty decent, for example. Pretty low sales, but, you know, some potential here. And you're just going to keep doing this for literally every single thing. Search Amazon. Run Jungle Scout. Then boom, this looks way competitive. Way too competitive, but, you know, maybe some opportunities in there. You just got to keep looking. Go back up to the top for a sec. Look, barn door handle. Just going to click that. See, guys, I know this product's actually bad because I actually know some people who've done this and they're not making money, but this is an example of one where there's just a little bit too many listings. If you keep like extracting the next page and stuff, there's just like, basically this is a product that looked really good on Jungle Scout, and a lot of people jumped in on it at the same time because it's just a really high competition, or it's a really high, it's a really low competition, it's high competition, low reviews on Jungle Scout. So you want to stay away from this one. Just trust me.
Go back to merchant words for a sec. Go to the top. Another thing that we should mention is it lets you break it up by search volume and by keywords for each country, or each country supported by Amazon. So they have US, UK, Canada, Germany, France, and then they have beta for Australia and Japan coming out soon, which is pretty cool because if you live outside the US, that's definitely helpful.
Or in the US.
Yeah.
Actually, a big strategy is selling in other countries where there is much less competition. And a lot of times you can find a product that's selling really well in the US and actually bring this to like the UK market or another market. And a lot of people actually can make a lot of money through that. But we usually like to just stick with the US for now.
Yeah. It's just
in the
easier.
future, we'll be branching our business into like other countries and stuff, but we're just not trying that right now until we're around for a little bit longer.
Yeah. We're just trying to stay rooted in one country for now.
But yeah, guys, so you're just going to keep going down the line. Like, all right, door handle, search Amazon, Jungle Scout. Boom, boom. And you're just going to keep doing this until you find a product. This is actually, it found us 30,000 a month products doing this in sales. So there's definitely some really good products to find. And another benefit of this is, a lot of products that are on Jungle Scout, basically Jungle Scout is a really popular software, so there's a lot of people using it. So any good product so Jungle Scout's database does not have every single product there is. And so it only has like a fraction of it because there's just such a rapid stream of products getting added to Amazon. So the products on there tend to get really competitive really quick, especially the best looking ones. So doing merchant words it'll keep you hidden pretty much. No one is going to find your thing on Jungle Scout and go in on it. So there's just going to be much lower competition. And if you can find a really unsaturated niche that you can go into with a profitable product, you contact your suppliers and everything, you can have a really, really good source of income just through this. All right, guys, so something I forgot to mention is you are going to need the Jungle Scout Chrome extension for this. And that's this thingy right here. And basically what this does is it shows you, so you type in something like door handles and you click on this, and it will show you really quickly condensed all the products on the list, okay? Like, magnetic door curb appeal handle, aluminum door handle. It just shows you everything, and it shows you the sales, revenue, reviews. It shows you the rating, if it's an FBA seller, fees, and some more stuff. And it really just makes it much easier to find a product, because if you don't have this, you're going to have to individually go through each one, look at the reviews, maybe click on it, scroll down, try to find the weight or something like that, figure out like the reviews, figure out like the weight, and just it's just not fast. This will save you a lot of time. And so with this, you can just go like boom, 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 and just find products much faster with it.
Okay, guys, so that is how we found three $30,000 a month products very quickly. These two tools, using the combination of the Jungle Scout Chrome extension and merchant words, are going to save you guys a lot of time. I know they're a few dollars a month, and when you're first getting started with this, you don't want to put any money into anything besides your business and besides products. But trust me, this is one that is worth the money because it's going to save you guys so much time in the long run. And it's going to save your hands and your wrists from that carpal tunnel from typing in lists of products. So trust me, guys, it is definitely worth a few bucks.
It is a must-have, guys. This is just as good, if not better, than Viral Launch and Jungle Scout. Actually, no, not viral launch. I'm not going to make that bold claim, but it goes right up there with Jungle Scout, though. We will talk more about these tools in the future videos, and like always, guys, make sure to leave a comment. Let us know what you want to make our next video on. Any tip, we got it. We got it all. Join the Vega 2 squad, okay? Join our Facebook group down in the description below. Leave us a subscribe if you want to, if you thought this video was helpful. We really try hard with these videos. We're trying to stay as consistent as possible, but we're both trying to balance a lot of stuff in life right now. We got jobs, we got school, we have a lot to do, and it's kind of tough. But we're just gonna take out whatever we can. We're gonna put in all the time, and leave a like if you like this video. And yeah, peace, guys.